Hello everybody, Zachary Fruling, aka Cozy Azeroth here, back with another TI-99 for a type-in program. This one is in TI Extended Basic. It's called Snake Dance by Vaughn Software, and this appeared in the April 1984 issue of the Cleveland Area Users Group's newsletter. It's not a very long program, as you can see. The entire program fits on my screen here. So let's get into TI Extended Basic and the Classic 99 emulator, which emulates a TI-99 4A and a modern PC. This is the TI-99 4A start screen. Press any key to begin. Press 2 for Extended Basic. We're going to type the program in, run it, see what we can learn from it, and see what we can make it do. Okay, 100, remark. We got some asterisks. These little title boxes are ubiquitous in old type-in programs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 110. Remark. So you have asterisk and then 2 spaces. Snake dance by. Oops. Snake dance by 2 spaces and an asterisk. There we go. 120. Remark. And 1 space Vaughn Software. So 2 spaces between Vaughn and software. There we go. 130, we just close the box. $140, remark. 150, remark. These blank remark statements always kind of crack me up in these type-in programs. I guess they make them easier on the eyes a little bit. Unnecessary though, but you know, I'll leave them in there for completion's sake. Okay, remark, extended basic required. $170, remark. Well, it's not a very long program, as you can see. 180, randomize. And in true extended basic form, we have multiple statements per line, which I don't really like, especially for such a short program, but what do you do? Call screen 2. Changes it to black. 190. Okay, B equals R&D times 190. Okay. Colon space. Call magnify 1. Colon space. Call CHAR. Okay. 96. Okay, here's the ubiquitous choice. Is that B or 8? That looks like an 8 to me, I believe. That's a B. That's an 8. Pretty sure. If it doesn't look right, we'll come back and fix it. Okay. For A equals 1 to 28. Call sprite. Number A. Oops. 96, 8. $95, 10, 10. And some math here. SGN 95 minus B is B, right? Yep, 95 minus B times A. Oop, actually, yeah, that's right, times A. And now we can end, I call sprite parenthesis, then next A. $200. D equals RND times 20. For A equals 1 to 28. Call motion. Number A. Oops, I keep accidentally hitting the space bar there. Okay, number A, D, comma, SGN of 10 minus D, and in the call motion paren, colon, colon, next A, space, colon, colon, space, C equals C plus 1. If C is less than 25, then 200. And that's all for line 200. Okay. 210, not 250. I don't know why I wrote 250. 210 for A equals 1 to 28. Call color. Number A. R and D times 14 plus 2. R and D times 14 plus 2. And paren, colon, colon. Next A. Space, colon, colon, space. C equals 0. Call magnify 2. Okay, that's all for line 210. 220 for A equals 1 to 28. Space, colon, colon, space. B equals R and D times 14 plus 2. B equals R and D times 14 plus 2. Call pattern. Number A, comma 96. Colon, colon, space. Call position. Number A, comma U, comma V. Where are U and V coming from here? Are we missing something from this program? Oh, that's right. It's not, that's right. Those are assigning values to those variables, right? Okay. based on the position of the sprites. Number A, comma U, comma V. I got it. It's been a while. Okay. Number A, comma U, comma V. Colon, space. Call motion. Number A, comma, SGN of 96 minus U times 9, comma, SGN of 10 minus V times 9, and paren, colon, space, next A. 230 for A equals 1 to 28. Call pattern. Number A, comma 96. Next A. Space, colon, space. Call delete sprite, del sprite. All. And colon, space. Go to 190. Okay, let's clear the screen, list out the program, and we're looking for any obvious errors here, typos, math errors, syntax errors, and just because we don't see it doesn't mean there aren't any, of course. And at a glance, everything looks good, although the multiple statements on the same lines in Extended Basic make it hard to look at a glance. Well, let's just run it and see what we get. What was it called again? Snake Dance by Vaughn Software. Let's see how it goes. Okay. It's supposed to look like a, I guess it's a, it's kind of a snake moving down the screen. Check it out. It, you know, very abstract, abstract snake. We'll get a screenshot here in a second. All right, Snake Dance. The snake kind of comes onto the screen, moves around a little bit, does a little dance. Sure. Oh, we get colors now. Okay, here we go. That's more fun. It's interesting that we get these like real small, you know, little single pixel dots, and then at a certain point they get more colorful. Oh yeah, look. Interesting things are happening. Because we've randomized it, no two run-throughs will be the same. Oh yeah, it's fun. It's a simple little program, but I like it. Not deep, it's just fun. It amazes me the things you can do with simple, relatively simple looking formulas in Basic in general. But look at the sprites changing color. Isn't that fun? It would be cool if it would change color after every one. That would be neat. I'm just going to grab a few screenshots here while we're watching it. It's an abstract snake. I don't know what I was expecting. This is not what I was expecting, but it's pretty cool. I guess I was kind of expecting it maybe to look more like a cobra coming up to dance or something. I don't know. There we go. There's our multicolor snake. It's fun how it kind of disperses. I'm not sure if that's how it's supposed to be, but it seems like it. I don't think I made any mistakes. I like seeing all the different techniques, but also just kind of inspirations that the various type-in program authors brought to the table, especially in these tiny little type-in programs. You know, the ones that are in magazines are cool and all, but these are fun. You can type them in 15, 20 minutes and get something cool out of them. I have more fun with the small programs, honestly. And I'm blinking the screen here, but I'm getting screenshots as I'm going. Oh, there we go. There's a multicolor snake. Boom. I don't know why I get a kick out of the snake when it disperses that way. I have to double check that. I'm not 100% sure that's what it's supposed to do. In fact, let's take a look real quick. Let's list out the program, especially the last part of the program. So let's see here. So where are we changing the magnification? Right there on line 210. Okay, so yeah, let's just double check lines 210 through 230. Okay, so 210 for A equals 28. Call color, number A. R&D times 14 plus 2, looks good. Next A. This equals 0, call magnify 2. Okay, 220. For A equals 1 to 28. B equals R&D times 14 plus 2. Call pattern A96. Call position number A, UV. Call motion number A, SGN, 96 minus U times 9, and SGN 10 minus V times 9, next day. Okay, 230, A equals 1 to 28, call pattern, number A, 96, next A, call delete sprite, all. Yeah, it looks good. Okay, let's just run it again and enjoy it. And we'll get a different randomization this time because we used the randomize statement. Let's see what we end up with. It does kind of move like a snake. It's pretty well done. Very clever. Oh yeah, look at this one. I like it. I might use that as the screenshot right there. It was a cool little twisty snake. Oh, what's happened there? I'm not sure what's happened there. Seems like something's gone amiss. Oh, too many sprites on the same line. That's what the problem is. I remember if you get more than 4 sprites on the same line, they start to blank out on you. It would be cool to have a little call key feature to be able to change what's going on with these sprites. Steer your snake around. I mean, this is a different looking snake than you get in most quote snake games, you know. Okay, so here we go. We're going to be able to, yeah. It's interesting how the snake just kind of disperses. You get a kick out of that. This is a nice little just piece of candy. So it must be after what, 28? So this is snake number 2. Snake number 3. Snake number 4. Snake number 5. Snake number 6. 7. 8. 9. Oh no. Oh, there we go. That's what I want right there. Boom. I do love the dispersing snake. It's so much fun. You know, even though this is an old system, the possibilities of things that can be created on this system are nowhere near exhaustive. There's plenty of room to create new cool things on the TI-99 4A. Even simple programs like this. Every one of these is so different. Variations on the theme, of course, but that's okay. Nothing new under the sun, right? Well, there you go. That is Snake Dance. I think it's called Snake Dance. Yep, Snake Dance by Vaughn Software. This was from, let me just double check again because I can't remember, April of 1984 in the Cleveland area users group's newsletter. Cute little sprite graphics program. A lot of fun. Let's just let that run for a minute. If you happen to be catching this after the fact on YouTube, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel. You can find it under my real name, Zachary Fruling, or under my Twitch handle, Cozy Azeroth, for lots more TI-99 4A content, retro programming, retro gaming, some World of Warcraft live streaming, and miscellaneous educational videos on a wide variety of topics of interest to me, both professionally and personally. If you're watching this live on Twitch, thanks for tuning in. Be sure to check out my YouTube channel for all the above. And if you're watching me live on Twitch at any point, be sure to say hi in the chat and or participate in the chat as you see fit. But in any case, I appreciate likes and follows and especially subscriptions, which really do help me out greatly in these challenging and troubling financial times. Thank you very much, and I'll be back again soon with another TI-99 4A TI Basic or TI Extended Basic type-in program from Computer Users Group magazines, computer books, and computer newsletters and magazines from the late 1970s all the way through the 1980s and into the early 1990s. I've got a long list of videos of programs I want to make videos about. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching Snake Dance by Vaughn Software. We'll catch you in the next go around. Have a good, most especially have a happy New Year. Have a good evening otherwise. Thanks for watching.